Hello everyone, I'm Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Tiny Things by Liza Charlesworth. Look in the garden, what do you see? Look in the garden, what do you see? There is a tiny fly. There is a tiny fly. There is a tiny ladybug. There is a tiny ladybug. There is a tiny grasshopper. There is a tiny grasshopper. There is a tiny bee. There is a tiny bee. There is a tiny ant. There is a tiny ant. There is a giant me. There is a giant me.